Let's get some. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man. Well, we came here to think we was going to get any footage, and look at this. That is cool. Let's take a picture of the hut when we leave. Can you see any other birds anywhere?
I've seen one flying over, but it's gone.
This is really cool. It's really relaxing.
When I lived in Reading, this is the noise I woke up to from home.
Really?
Yeah, there were no cats, no pests or anything, even on the 64
Yeah.
or whatever it is that you're suited to it.
See, it's nice to do a bit of.
It was just nice to have my alarm go off and see that the sun's coming through my window and just have birds tweeting outside my window, so left the window open. That's all I'd wake up to, which is nice and peaceful every day.
I'm trying to keep them all in the frame, but it's not. That's really cool. Where's some other two going? Oh, there they are. Is that the mum and the dad? Looks like the mum and the dad. Is that the ducklings?
I
Yeah.
feel like I need to invest in a set of
Binoculars, yeah.
couple of eggs flying over.
Yeah. Oh man, that's really fucking cool. Where's the other ones gone? Well, I think it was worth it just for this hut. In the end. Where's the dragonfly?
Just whilst it was flying around in front of here, and then it was a little bit back up, it was under.